Hi guys, welcome back to Memecoin Ninja. Today we're going to take another look at the sweet spot alerts that our channel captured and see how they perform. So let's check it out. Okay, let's start with this token. TDB token. 17k market cap at 5:20 AM. Let's check on the DEX screener. Around this time. Okay, 17k market cap, and it went up to 129%. Okay, that's a good one. Next. Okay, this one older token. Okay, let's check it on the DEX screener. 5:21 AM. Around this time. 28k market cap. Okay, 85%. That's a good one. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. LBW token. Let's check it on the DEX screener. Let's check the 16k market cap at 5:23 AM. 5:23 this time, and it's too low. Let's check the next one. Okay, let's check this on the DEX screener. Around this time, 5:24, 39k market cap. Okay, 242%. This is a good one, guys. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. Replacement token. Let's open it on the DEX screener. 5:57 AM. Around this time, 19k market cap. Okay, went up to 178%. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, copy token. 6:43 AM with 12k market cap. 6:43 at this time, 12k. Okay, 200+%, guys. This is a good one. Terian token. 7:02 AM with 23k market cap. Okay, it's 1000. 10x, guys. That's a 10x. It's a good one. Okay, next. Force token. 7:08 AM, 19k market cap. Okay, around this time, 42%. Okay, next. $848, 31k. Okay, at this time, 31k, and it went up to 100+%. Okay, it's a 2x. Okay, next one. Maya token. Open on DEX screener. Okay. 9:06 a.m. 26k. 9:06 at this time with 26k. Okay, went up to 80%. That's all for today, guys. If you want access to our Meme Coin Ninja VIP channel, reach out to memecoinninja.com. Thank you for watching. See you guys on our next videos.